Hello, you're watching the Lychee Boy at work, and it's going to be Halloween, and this is our new reality. So what do? How do we go out still in a Halloween spirit whilst keeping our masks on, of course? Well, we could use the masks as the foundation for our costume. So we're gonna make some masks specifically right now to use for this project, and we're gonna try to make them as good as possible. So let's get right to that. So our masks are complete. Now we can take them and we can play around with them. You can do anything you want, and we can just throw some Halloween themed things on. I'm gonna do something a little weird, maybe interesting. Let's just jump into it. So these masks are just a proof of concept that you can make something Halloween themed. Now, of course, these masks aren't the greatest. This one's pretty nice, but these two are mediocre. Now this mask here is just a joke. I didn't really mean anything big by it. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I just used a surgical mask, a normal one. It looks weird, but why not, right? But yeah, don't take this one too seriously. But this one is nicer. This one is definitely better. More evil looking, more ominous, right? Just a little more ominous. So this one's pretty nice. Some people like to be princesses on Halloween, right? So this is supposed to match that. So you can be a flowery princess on Halloween too. Some people do that. They like that. I went for something nice and cute. Now, none of these are particularly impressive, but it was more of a proof of concept that yeah, you can go out on Halloween and you can use your masks to make them Halloween-y themed, right? I want to see your masks. I hope you're gonna make some nice ones. Comedy/how-to videos, so don't take it too seriously. We made some masks. Thank you for watching. This has been the Lychee Boy. Stay Lychee, be Lychee, and I will see you very soon.